My name is James Gill. I attended Colorado Media School first for the radio and TV program, the core program, and I graduated in May of 2016. And then I came back the following year and I was in the film and video emphasis program, the first graduating class for the film and video emphasis program. I've always kind of been proud of that. And I graduated from that in September of 2017. Since then, I've done freelance videography, various video projects for clients and such, taking their concept and making it into a completed video. And I've also been working at Colorado Media School as an instructor assistant, helping with the teaching of the program, trying to pass along the guidance that I was given. The way I ended up at Colorado Media School originally, I had actually heard a couple of radio ads for the school and thought it was interesting, but hadn't really followed up on it. And I just happened to be in the Beonair shopping center, which is where the school is. I noticed the sign, thought I remembered it from the commercial, walked up and they gave me a tour of it, and it all just looked really interesting, looked really and fun. And so I thought, well, I'll give that a try, and I'm extremely glad I did. My favorite thing about my experience at Colorado Media School is just that we got our hands on the equipment right away. Just from the word go, we were actually working with Adobe Audition, video editing programs, and it was all just that there wasn't a lot of sitting in the classroom writing down notes on theory, on the concept of how it worked. We learned by getting in there and just doing it, and that approach absolutely fit me to a T, I found out. So the fact that no matter how easy or hard something seemed at the beginning, I got to work my way through it, and would be my favorite thing about the school. The one piece of advice that I would give to current students and new grads that are going out into the world of media is keep your options open. Learn as much as you can about everything. You never know what you're going to get into. I came to the school thinking I'd be much more into the radio side of things. I thought I'd want to go into sports radio. I absolutely fell in love with video. Like I've mentioned before, seeing something go from just a concept on the page to a completed video with editing, effects, I love it. If you told me at the beginning I'd go that way, I'd have been surprised. So you never know what will really catch your fancy. And even if you do know which direction you want to go, if you're into radio, every radio station has social media, a website, and they need video content for that. So if you can put on your resume that you know how to go shoot a video, they can put a camera in your hands and you can go out there, shoot something, and give them a finished product. That's going to look good on your resume. So learn as much as you can, keep your options open, and have fun with it no matter which way you go.